Channel. Just wanted to make a quick video to update you guys on what I think the market is doing, the opportunities I took advantage of, and some of the mistakes I've made. So let's get right into the video, guys, and I'll kind of explain to you the mistakes first. So earlier this week, Monday and Tuesday, I was pretty much day trading TQQQ and SQQ. By the way, before I get started on this, congratulations to anybody that was trading SQQ last week that had the same strategy as I did, because if you did, I can show you guys. This was last week, Thursday and Friday. So as you can see, guys, crazy amount of money you could have made. Hopefully you stuck around, and you did. Unfortunately, I made the video when I was testing this EMA, and then I saw it dipping, so I just took my profits right away. I can't be really mad. Like I said, I'd rather not be greedy and just take the profits I've made. But if I would have stuck with it, I could have made a crazy amount of money. So congratulations to anybody that did. But let's get back on track here. So I was trying to day trade TQQQ Monday and Tuesday, and I was getting burnt pretty bad as the volatility in the first 2 hours has been crazy. There's really no clear direction of where I wanted to go. So I was, like I said, I was getting burnt pretty quickly. So I took Wednesday off, and then today, as you can see, if you kind of just wait it out and study a little bit during the day, throughout the day, you can kind of see the directions a little bit more clear of what it wants to do. So I was looking at FNGU today. Obviously, the first 2 hours are always crazy, but after that 9:30, the short was the clear play. Went all the way down to 1633. Started to show some strength. Came down, didn't make a lower low, which is awesome. That's a good sign right there. And then it started trading above that EMA and that mid Bollinger, all the way up to test that VWAP. Now, once it started testing that VWAP, that's when I saw the opportunity. I got in right at the VWAP. I did want to keep my stop loss very tight, as if it got rejected, I thought it was going to go all the way down to the previous lows of 1633. So I took that chance at the VWAP. Obviously, it made a nice little 2 giant green candlesticks. Came down, same thing, traded above that EMA, traded above that mid Bollinger, went all the way to 1740. And that is when I sold my position for a nice $652 up on the day. Again, guys, I had an awesome day today, but again, Monday and Tuesday, I got burnt pretty bad on TQQQ. So the lesson out of that, guys, is just adapting. This market's been so crazy, and more than likely next week it's gonna be different than this week. So just almost taking your time and just analyzing and seeing when the clear opportunity is, and not jumping in right away when you see something. Just take your time, slow down. Again, do your homework, know your levels, and you should be okay. Monday and Tuesday, I didn't do that, meaning I lost some money. But let's just go overall. Let's go check out the markets overall. Start with the NASDAQ here. Let's look at the 4 hour. Okay, so as we can see here on the NASDAQ, guys, it is on the 4 hour still trading below that EMA. Actually, it got rejected pretty bad here. Well, not bad, but it got rejected. As you can see, that green candlestick went all the way up to the EMA, and now it's a little lower. So in my opinion, I'd wait to trade anything as a swing trade until the NASDAQ clears this EMA and mid Bollinger and this key level. So it has 3 little resistances that it has to go through for me to be confident to trade anything when it comes to a swing play. Now let's look at the ES here. Okay, so the ES looks maybe a little bit better, but pretty much same story. It's fighting that EMA, has that price resistance here. Hopefully it passes it and it can become a support. Maybe go back up to the upper Bollinger Band, all the way down to the excuse me, I could probably show you guys here. Way up here, hits that upper Bollinger Band, if I can draw this, back down, and then from this resistance line all the way up to this. So that's kind of what I would see happening. But again, wouldn't feel confident until it does clear those levels. And yeah, guys, so that's my opinion on the ES and NASDAQ. My opportunities with FNGU today, how I got burnt pretty bad with TQQ, and hopefully you guys found this interesting. If you did, make sure you drop a like. It really helps me out on the channel. Consider subscribing. And also, guys, I will be in spring break next week. I'll be flying down to Florida, so there's going to be no stock videos that week, but I will be posting some fun videos, so make sure to stick around and enjoy those. All I had to say, guys, thanks so much for watching. Hope you guys have a good rest of your trading week.